Yeah.
Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Alrighty, hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. This is like spontaneous. It wasn't planned, but we had no choice. We had to come through with the banger. Cause where we at, honey?
We in Miami. You know, we had to take us some business, but you know, look, they seen everything in our future in the back of the car. Yes, first lady bag. And first they took a little trip. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, we had Trick Daddy's restaurant.
Woo.
You feel me? Yeah, I feel Lamborghini. I know that shit clean. Yeah, so we had Trick Daddy restaurant, family. It's nice.
His brother.
Yes, right, his brother. It's beautiful, family. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to try the food. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh, let's start off with the candied yams. We're in the parking lot. We couldn't move because, let me tell you something, the food just good.
Yeah.
Okay, it looks good, so we don't want to move. So we got some wings with macaroni and cheese.
Y'all see that? Look
cornbread,
at that.
Rice, yellow rice, some fried wings. That's for the hubby right there.
That's me all day.
All day.
What do you need?
No, for you. You want your thing?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna put some. Again, family. This is spontaneous.
That's spontaneous. We just said, you know, we have to try it. Can we hear the buzz about it? So you know what I'm saying?
Oh, this is the catfish.
Look at that, family.
Yo,
look at
catfish with the collard greens and rice and cornbread. I'm gonna move this. I'm not gonna move this. Stuff it. Yeah.
But yeah, you know what I'm saying? We out here. What we got?
Okay, where's the fork?
They didn't give us fork.
We don't have no fork.
Don't do that.
That's not a good start.
Don't do that.
There's no fork in here, honey.
Pause it.
All right, family. So I went and got some forks. It's all right. As long as the food don't taste bad, it'll be fine. We trying it. We outside.
Trying it, family. So, you know, we're gonna give you a little car bag, you know. As I said, we were so close to it. Yeah, we on our phone. Cause this wasn't planned. You know what I'm saying, family? We were so close to it that we said, yo, we have to stop here. Wow, look at that catfish, though. Well fried, though.
One for you.
One for me.
Ooh.
You know what? This is how I'm gonna do my thing. Family, it's packed in there.
When I went in there?
Yeah.
It's even more packed, Tom.
More packed. Let's see what we can see. Take what you want.
Put the catfish over here. That's how the catfish look, family. That's the catfish.
Catfish right there, family.
Okay.
Take
and I'm just going to take a wing.
Take your wing, girl. See. Try the mac and cheese. Here, take a bite with us. Well seasoned. That's a goal. To the other grain. Hot and ready.
Ready like Freddy in spaghetti. Candied yam. Mac and cheese. We just eating from each other's plate.
Oh, jealous.
Yeah, man, them jealous man.
Jealous man. When you come down here, just come check it out. You know what I'm saying? Come check it out if you're in Miami.
It is hot.
Just type in Trick Daddy Restaurant.
Hot.
Yeah. Hot.
Hey, the food is good.
Food is good, family.
This candied yam is bussin'.
Bussin'. Family. It is good.
That's no cap.
No cap.
It's hot.
Hot. Got it?
It's good.
Season. Hit the season for me. I wish I could have seen your food better, but family.
So.
You want macaroni and cheese? Wow.
That is good. Again?
Then put it in my seat.
Put it up?
Yeah, I gotta put my seat to enjoy this.
Oh, let me put up some more too. So
yeah, put up in seat.
Your Oh yeah, it's good. She's going up.
Yeah.
You guys can see the food better.
Yeah, so
okay.
you can see it.
We're sorry, but
sorry,
we
but
couldn't leave here without doing this. We didn't, like I said, we didn't bring no camera.
No camera because it wasn't planned.
Yep, and we was too close to this restaurant. We're not fried.
What they gave you? What kind of sauce they gave you?
Listen, I give it tartar sauce, and I think hot sauce. Or no, hot sauce, yeah.
Hot sauce.
The only thing is that I'm gonna talk the truth. The only thing that I wish that they would do is he needs to find a bigger location because it does get busy. But also, when you place an order, they should have it where they text you when your food is ready, because you have to stand there and wait. I mean, you don't have to stand there and wait, but if that was me, I want to stand there and wait because I want my food as soon as it comes out. I don't want it to sit there. You're welcome, baby. I don't want it to sit there and wait.
Yep.
And
What do you need?
collard green on your I mean not collard green. Baked. What's it called? Candied yams on your thing.
Whatever you eat first.
Put some
What do you need?
Hold on. Let me fix that because
What do you need?
Richie knows I love candied yams with macaroni and cheese. Right? Put that there. And then let me see macaroni and cheese, mind. We should have got a separate macaroni.
I love the macaroni and cheese. Beautiful.
Just for a little bit.
More.
I don't need a lot. I just want. Yep.
That's it?
Yep. You gotta have macaroni and cheese. Listen, family. Thanksgiving time, that's the best time. You gotta have macaroni and cheese with candy yam. It's the best. Bustin'. Oh my! It was worth the wait. We waited like what? 20 minutes? And it was packed in there.
That's good.
Oh,
you didn't see the yam? Oh, so, she did.
Stop telling lie, family.
Come on,
I showed
she
you
showed
guys
the
the
yam,
yam.
family. Again, appreciate all the new subscribers.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all. But keep joining the team, you know?
You guys love that cold foot video.
Yeah. Again, if you're in Florida and you're in the Miami area, go check out this restaurant.
It was called Sunday.
It's packed out here too. Good. I need to get my rice.
When we were looking for something to eat yesterday, we could have ate this.
Should have.
Okay, one thing though.
What?
These ladies be coming out here stylish.
Stylish family. Oh gosh.
Everybody's stylish coming to the Trick Daddy restaurant. I like that.
Stylish.
That's right, ladies.
Looking good.
Looking good.
Black queens, you know? I love our black queens. True family.
Yeah. Everybody come in, they all look
well put together.
Well put together. Good.
That's one of the best catfish I ate. What do you think, First Lady?
Of course. Georgia now. Little dizzy. But I told you. And Nana's. Bustin'. But this is good. Very good.
Very good. Let's go. That candy yam is good. Other than your candy yam, second best candy yam I eat.
Thank you. It is good. I wish we could have taken it home.
Yes, put it on the plate.
But
Kid, we are here. We are outside with it.
We're trying. See that?
Yeah. Okay, yeah. The wings is good too.
Mmm. Okay, this is turkey. It's a fat.
I'm enjoying it.
Want some more collard greens?
Yeah, give me some more.
Yeah, thank God it's turkey and it's collard greens and not, you know? You always say that. This is why you're not gonna eat it. Yeah, there's a limited amount of parking. So this is a yellow rice. So how it works is it comes with let's say you order catfish, it comes with rice, and then you order another side.
Yeah.
I couldn't see.
Okay, see?
Especially not what's on your beard. It's so funny because we heard people talking about this, and we're like, anytime we're in Miami, we're gonna try it. And
my friend just took a quick trip. When you vlog it, you know? Just something quick, you know? They got the first lady, you know? How it is already.
And we was checking out. And I said, wait a minute. I wanted to try Trick Daddy's restaurant. And we're just watching for people, you know, coming. So I was like, I wanted to try Trick Daddy's restaurant. And Richie was like, I don't feel like driving nowhere far. You see when I show Richie the picture of the food? And that it was only 15 minutes away?
I think he just pulled up too.
Who?
Trick Daddy.
Why?
I just saw him. When I saw the food, I was like, I got to get it.
When you saw that food, Richie said, I have to get that. Guys, this parking lot,
busy.
You don't see it, but it is busy. It's like cars going in and out, people going in and out.
Busy.
So if you see us looking around,
busy.
it's because I'm nosy.
Yep.
Now, we're not just saying the food is good because
it's yep.
Because it's Trick Daddy's restaurant. We told you it was good because it is good.
It's good. Honest opinions.
Honest. Cornbread.
It's good.
I like how he put it in a little muffin.
It's good. We're gonna give it a true review about it.
Yep.
We ain't gonna cap.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
We don't have no reason to.
No capping.
It ain't gonna benefit us.
Exactly.
That is good.
It is. It is.
Real good.
Well, when you come, prepare to wait.
For real.
Prepare to wait, family.
I'm glad I had tried these candied yam. One more?
Yam maximum.
One more? I'm glad we had tried the candy yam because it is very good. Especially with the macaroni and cheese, like I said. That's the way to go.
All right, family.
Ooh, sorry. What's your opinion about the fried chicken?
Fried chicken is good. I said fried chicken is nice. Everything is nice. But we're gonna go now. Come here first. We're gonna devour this.
We're leaving. Okay, family.
And window watching. See what's going on. So we appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us.
A little quick car bang.
Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. You know. All right.